When replacing one or more injectors or performing maintenance due to wear, it is essential to adjust the quantity to be injected to ensure the best performance and extend the useful life of the engine. To do so, we will follow these steps with Jaltest. Replacement of the defective injector with a new one. Connect to the EDC MD1CE101 engine system of the new Holland T7 Series Auto Command Tier 5-stage V-Tractor. Check for active fault codes in the system. Perform the injector reset the injector correction factor value stored in the control unit. Verify that the active fault code has become inactive. Fault code clearance and disconnection from the system. It's as easy as that. With Jaltest Diagnostics, the process is fast, accurate, and efficient.